Hello! Today we will be making pollo a la plancha, or grilled chicken, but in my Latina mother style. We are serving 5 people, so we will use 5 pieces of chicken thigh. You can always cut it to your liking, trim the fat or whatever, but our preferred way is just to make thigh meat a bit thinner with using a kitchen hammer. For seasonings, you will need 2 teaspoons of lemon pepper, 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and last but not least, 1 teaspoon of knorr seasoning, a staple in Latino homes. Make sure to incorporate all the seasonings really well, and don't be afraid to really get in there. Massaging it makes the meat even more tender. Once mixed, place in a Ziploc bag, or in an airtight container, into the fridge for 2 hours.
2 hours later.
Place any oil you'd like on a non-stick pan, and leave on medium until the oil has heated. Viewer discretion advised. My mom is a trained professional mom. She has hands of steel. I do not recommend using your hands. Let it grill for about 12 minutes, flipping every 6. And wow, que delicia! You could pair this chicken with any side dish, but for today, we just use brown rice. You know, trying to get that summer body. Anyways, hope you guys liked the recipe, and remember, a meal always tastes better when made with love.